Hi, everybody. I'd like to welcome you to our class YouTube channel, Mrs. Krieger's Den of Positively Precious Pups here at Reed Spring Primary. So a few quick things to let you know about our channel. We have several playlists. You can find those located right here. And then we also have several different videos that I subscribe to, different channels that I might subscribe to. So you can find those right there. We're going to go in here to playlists and take a look at a couple of things. I would like to look at, if we go down here a little bit, there they are. We'll view the rest of our playlists that we've created this school year. You can see we use our YouTube channel for a lot of different things. We use them for our videos that teach our students about the different types of manners that we have in different places. So those are our matrix videos that we use to help teach our students how to behave in certain places in the building. We also have different videos to go along with different skills that we're learning about during the year. You'll also notice that we have a tab specific for our class video newsletters that we send out during the school year so that we can keep parents up to date with all the wonderful things that we've got going on. Here's our class newsletters that we send home. We've got songs that help us with writing sentences, nursery rhymes, which are always great for students to be able to practice and help learn those rhyming skills. We've got different station activities that we use during the school year. When your student is using ClassKick, they will utilize these different station videos to help them know what they're supposed to be doing while I'm working with other students. We also have some guided drawing videos that help the students learn to be great illustrators, learn how to draw different types of creatures or items that we're talking about during that particular time of year. It is a great channel that you can subscribe to. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter to get different updates of things that we have happening in the classroom. I hope to see you hit that subscribe button so that you can enjoy some of the great things that we've got going on in our class. Thanks.